Powerful HS-H10x3200 hydraulic shearing machine. Designed for precise and clean cutting. Advanced swing beam structure for stability. High-strength frame reduces deformation. Smooth hydraulic system ensures efficiency. Sharp blade delivers perfect cutting edge. Adjustable cutting angle for accuracy. Fast shearing speed improves productivity. High-quality steel plate construction. Reliable performance for long service life. Precision back gauge with pitch and slack. Energy-saving and low-noise design. Strong hydraulic power for heavy sheets. Perfect choice for metal fabrication workshops. Ideal for industrial sheet metal processing. HSH10x3200. Your reliable cutting partner.